Hello again, welcome to the Kid in the City. My name is Jontee and we are back with another eyeshadow detail. If this is not your first time, then welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. I'm so glad that you came to the right place. Okay, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. We are getting into another eyeshadow look today. Super easy. Only one shade to achieve this nice bronzed eyeshadow look using the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills collab eyeshadow palette. So if you want to see the steps and exactly how easy eyeshadow can be but still give you glam, stay tuned because we're jumping right into it. Okay, so today we are going in with one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes, the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills collab palette. And I'm only going in with one shade. Now, I may use two shades in case I have to blend this out a little different. But as far as my head goes, what I'm thinking is going to be one shade. I'm wearing brown today, so I want to be in a super bronze matte makeup look. So, yeah, we're going in with Lituation. So, if the camera will focus. So this is Lituation. It's super bronze, super pretty, and this is going to be the shade that we go in with today. I'm super excited about it. And again, I feel like eyeshadow is as easy as you make it, right? If you make eyeshadow difficult with 12,000 colors and a cut crease and an overlay and a this and a that, yeah, it is going to be difficult. But eyeshadow can also be very simple and very easy. I feel like it just depends on what look you want to accomplish, like what you actually, like the time you want to spend on it, right? But I definitely think you can have a very easy eyeshadow look. And the reason I believe that is because I'm about to do it myself. Like, what do you mean? I'm just trying to find all the right brushes that I want to use. Okay, so again, going in with Lituation, and here we go.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, and then with a fluffier brush, that was a flat brush I applied it with a fluffier brush, I'm literally with no product just gonna buff that out. Like so. And that is literally it. That's it. That's it. Easy peasy. What was that one lid? It took all of 30 seconds, maybe like 2 minutes. I'm not gonna say 30 seconds, that's a little dramatic. But what, 2 minutes? That's all you need, just a nice bronze lid. Nice and bronze, nothing too crazy. And that's it. That's it. That's it. And then once I put the lash on and the rest of my face, it's gonna be exactly what it need to be. Now, I'll definitely, if I was probably going for a more dramatic look, I would probably use this as like a outer transition shade. Against like maybe like a nude or something like that, because this is a super, like, you could do this with a smoky look, you could do this with a nude look. This is a really pretty shade. Yeah, this shade is actually gorge.
Artlist.io.
shade. Ah! Girl, I just be throwing shit. I mean, stuff. And then here we go.
Music licensing reimagined.
So easy. So easy. Eyeshadow does not have to be difficult. Like I said, eyeshadow is as difficult as you make it. Everything don't have to be difficult. Some things can be easy if you choose for them to be easy. That's a word. Okay, so here we are with the final eyeshadow look. And like I said, eyeshadow is as difficult as you make it. We did one shade, blended it out really nice, and we got this super cute, super bronze look. Again, using the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills collab palette with the shade Lituation. That's it. Eyeshadow is as easy as you make it, and you can get into very simple, very easy eyeshadow looks that look like more effort than actually it takes to kind of accomplish the look. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how to, it doesn't require a lot to look good and look the way that you want it. All eyeshadow looks don't have to be like so elaborate and so dramatic. Like, they can be simple and they can still be very effective and still be very glam. And I feel like this is like the perfect example of that. Again, if you want to see the full glam of how I did the full face, I'm gonna tag the video right here. But again, this is just the eyeshadow detail, just quick and easy, specifically on the eyeshadow, and it came out perfect just the way I wanted it to. I'm so happy. What? Anyway, I'm going to the museum. I'm cute and I'm about to go outside, and that is it. Again, do not forget to, I can't talk today. Do not forget to follow me on all socials at The Kid in the City. I do appreciate your time. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with the kid. And for that, I thank you. Until next time, bye.
Artlist.io